Okay, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own proxy with Amazon Web Service. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click New Folder. I'm going to make a folder really quick. This is going to be called Proxy. I'm going to name this Proxy and I'm going to put it right there. Okay, we're going to go to Chrome and I'm going to go to Amazon Web Service. Now, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, we're going to go to aws.com. Alright, I already have instances that I've made from last video. I tried to make at least, and what happened was my computer froze and everything just shut down. So I'm gonna try to remake this video, try to fix it up. Hopefully it doesn't shut down this time. So basically, you want to go to compute or VM instance, and you want to go ahead and select Red Hat Free Tier Eligible. Okay, you select that. Keep it at T2 micro, keep it just like that. I'm going to create one instance because I'm not going to create 5 this time because I created 5 last time and those didn't go so well. So I'm just going to click next, add storage, keep it at 10. I just keep everything the same, just scroll through everything, and when you get to this part you're going to click add rule. This is going to be 3128 and you're going to add this. So 0.0.0.0.0 slant 0. So click review and launch. Just let me say this again. It's going to be type custom TCP rule TCP 3128 and yeah, that. So click review and launch, and what we're going to do is click launch. We're going to generate a new key pair, and this is going to be AWS proxy. I don't know why I named it AWS, but I just did anyway. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that file right there and you're going to put it inside a folder on your desktop. Now I put it in that proxy folder I made earlier, and then we're going to click launch instance. Okay, after you have launched the instance, you want to click on the following instance launches have been initiated. Click on the instance. Okay, you want to scroll through. Oh my gosh. You want to scroll through here, and you want to go to the IPv4. You want to go ahead and take that IPv4 from the instance, from the VM, and then you want to go over to something called MOBA Xterm. All right, and we're gonna click session SSH remote host, and you want to insert that IP into there. And then click Advanced SSH Settings, click that, and then click Use Private Key. Click on this little search icon so you can search for a folder. Then over here, I'm going to look for desktop. You're going to look for that thing that said proxy, AWS proxy. You want to open that file we just saved earlier for the key. So click open, and then you want to click OK. Okay, and if you ever get this error right here, it's fine. There's a way to get past it. It's just a connection error. It'll like fix eventually. But if you can see this right here, this is our IP. If you want to go ahead and run it, if it gives you this error, that's okay. So I'm actually just gonna delete this and use one of the ones I had earlier. I just created a new one and I took the same IP, different IP, and I'm just going to use private key. Do the thing. Okay, and I want to go to US proxy and take the prox. Okay, that was not it. I think I saved it somewhere. I think I did save it somewhere. Let me go to my downloads. It's in my downloads somewhere. Yeah, there it is, proxy.pem. I'm going to click OK, and then that should open. It should say login as. The reason why my last one didn't say that is because when you create something happens to the first one. So if you created like 5, something will happen to the first one. This happened to be a lot. So ec2/user. That's going to be login as, and there you go. So I have a GitHub for this. This is going to be squid proxy, and this is. I remade this because, well, I didn't remake it. I just did something from someone's source, and because the last one got deleted. So we're here at Phoenix Decoder SPI. We're going to click on the SPI file, and we're going to click raw, and you're going to copy this link right here, and you're going to paste it into the console. But first, before we do that, we're going to do okay guys, I'm sorry, I got a little confused here. Anyway, we're gonna be I think it's sudo oh my god, did I forget again? No, sudo su root. Okay, and I forget the commands for this, but we're gonna do yum install wget. So that'll install wget, and then you're gonna click yes. Okay, and there we go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do wget, and you're gonna paste that link right here. You're gonna copy that link, and then you're gonna paste it in here. Click enter, and then you're gonna do bash spi rel 7, and then you click enter, and then that should go ahead and create something here. It's gonna install squid proxy on the server. See, now the thing is if this didn't exist anymore, like this guy's thing didn't exist anymore, so I basically just remade it. So your desired username, I don't know, I'm just gonna do this as a demo. So demo, and then we're gonna do enter, and the new password is gonna be test1234. Click enter, test1234. Okay, and you click enter, and that'll set up, and it'll give you this error. This is command not found. Do not worry about that. That is not important. But now your proxy is basically set up. Go back to EC2 management, and you want to copy your IP, copy your proxy, and then what you want to do is you want to go over to okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works right here. You want to go over here, and this is the username, which was demo. Password was test1234. Proxy IP, which is going to be the IP of the proxy, which is this right here, and then the proxy port, which what we did earlier was 3128, and this is basically it, the HTTP proxy. This is what it's going to look like if you're trying to connect to websites with it. So if you're trying to connect to anything with it, just connect like this. For example, like for me, I'm going to use this for my website. I'm probably going to delete this proxy afterwards, so it doesn't become an issue. But anyway, we're running the proxy server, and then what I'm going to do is, this is my multiplayer piano website. Well, not mine, but I cloned this off of someone, and you're going to click save, and yeah. So I'm connecting a proxy to the server. This is the proxy. Remember, this is a working proxy. I'm going to click open. I'm going to show you guys how this works. So just so you guys know how this works, let me just do this. Let me connect this to the lobby so you guys know. So I'm going to click enter, and it's going to say connected, and don't know why it doesn't have a name, but it doesn't. Looks like it was connected to RP room, but it was okay. There it is. So it has a name now. So as you can see, connected, and it is running off of this name, and yeah. Anyway, guys, besides that, it connected, and that's the good thing.